Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my very first unboxing here on YouTube. I ordered myself an Olivia Burton watch recently and I thought that it would be quite a fun thing to unbox. I have already opened it and had a look at it, I'm not going to lie, I couldn't wait. However, I have put everything back in its packaging so I can show you exactly how it came, and obviously I can share my thoughts on it as well. Just to give you a little bit of background about the brand, Olivia Burton watches have become incredibly popular over the last few years. I think that if you are at all interested in fashion, if you are ever on Instagram, especially if you're from the UK, chances are you will have come across an Olivia Burton watch before. Their signature style is very pretty, very feminine. They use a lot of pastel colours, floral designs, bird and bee motifs, so very, very pretty. They also make more classic styles as well, which is more what I have gone for, as you will see. The price range is from around £75 to £225, so not super cheap, but definitely affordable as far as watches go. I also think that their designs look a lot more expensive than that price range would indicate. The watch I have gone for, as I mentioned, is more of a classic style. It's definitely something that's been missing from my collection for a while. It was originally around the £100 mark, however, a few weeks ago I noticed it on sale at Goldsmiths, the UK jewellers, for £49. So it was a huge saving and I just had to go for it. So without further ado, let's get straight on to the unboxing. So just to give you the complete unboxing experience, my watch arrived in this lovely yellow DHL envelope. Inside that was this cardboard box, which, as you can see, I've already opened. And inside the cardboard box is the Olivia Burton packaging. Mine is a little bit damaged, unfortunately, but you can see how nice this is with the brand logo embossed in rose gold on the top, and the combination of the blush pink cardboard sleeve and the pale grey box underneath. When you slide off the cardboard sleeve, you can see that the embossing is repeated on the lid of the box, and when you take that off, the watch is revealed inside. So, as you can see, I went for the rose gold and silver bracelet watch with a large face. I love the fact that it incorporates the two different metals, as it's very versatile. It means that it will go with a lot of different jewellery, and I love how classic the style is. To be totally honest, I was slightly disappointed when I first opened this, more with the feel of the watch than the look of it. It feels ever so slightly lightweight, almost tinny to me, which I wasn't expecting. There is also a very slight flaw in the design where these rose gold edges are a little bit messy. However, that is me being exceptionally picky, and on the whole, I do think it's a beautiful watch. You also get a little booklet in the box, which gives you important information on how to adjust the time, and also information about the warranty as well, which essentially covers manufacturing defects for 2 years from the date of purchase. So this is what the watch will look like on my wrist. As you can see, I will need to have several links removed as I have the world's smallest arms, but I love the way it looks. I love the impact the large face makes, and I love the rose gold details as well, as I think they add a real touch of luxury. So all in all, I'm very happy with my purchase. Well, that concludes this unboxing video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, I would love it if you gave it a thumbs up and maybe even subscribe. That would make my day. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again soon in another video. Bye.